Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Civic Sport Plus. Now of course these are a 1.5 turbo petrol, as you do get in the standard sports. So obviously with it being the Sport Plus you get a few additional features like keyless entry and of course sunroof. You get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well, all of which have been freshly refurbished and painted in black. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every alloy. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice it is a late 2019, early 20 model. It has also got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up top there. In the back of the car now, you've then got plenty of room in here as well. You've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You've got a 12-volt power outlet just under there, and of course you do have a pull-over privacy shelf here as well, just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we do have full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've got full electric automatic windows all around as well, and as I did mention earlier, keyless entry. Jumping inside the car now, as you can see, we have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox and your ECON dynamic dampers and your stop start off button just there. You've then also got your wireless phone charger in the middle with your dual climate control and 2 front heated seats, which can all be operated via the touchscreen display. Within here we have your satellite navigation. We've then got all of your various audio sources just here. And then we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free. This screen is also Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible as well. And as you can see, you've got the reversing camera as well just there. You've also got a full glass sunroof as well, which is fully opening. You can have it wide open, you can have it shut, or you can have it tilted up just to vent the car out a little bit. You've then got a nice little sun visor as well, just to block any sunlight out from the cabin. And moving over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your audio controls on the left with your volume, onboard computer controls, voice assistant and track select. The arrows here work between the onboard computer and the infotainment system. You've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. You've got full automatic headlights and full automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 27,034 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, as you can see, you've got the sunroof just here. Walking around the car again, if you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport Plus, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.